So here we shall explain um, what is meant by Bernoulli trials. Bernoulli trials. So it is defined as um, trials of a random experiment. Trials of a random experiment are called as Bernoulli trials. Are called Bernoulli trials if they satisfy the following conditions. If they satisfy the following conditions. The conditions are there should be the number of trials should be finite. The number of trials should be a finite number. Should be a finite number. And the trials should be independent. The trials should be independent. And the third condition is each trial should have only two outcomes. Each trial should have exactly two possible outcomes. Exactly two possible outcomes. One is success or it can be failure. Success or failure. And the fourth condition is that the probability of success should remain the same in every trial. The probability of success should be same in each trial. So these are the required conditions. So we shall understand this Bernoulli trial with the help of a suitable example. The example is, suppose we have got six balls. Six balls are drawn one after the other. Are drawn successively means one after the other from an urn. From an urn which contains from an urn that contains seven red balls and nine black balls. And nine black balls. And then we have to mention whether mention whether or not the trials are Bernoulli trials, whether or not the trials are Bernoulli trials when after each draw the ball drawn is replaced, and in the second case the ball drawn is not replaced. Okay, so how to solve it? So here we can say the probability of success, let's say the probability of success is the probability of drawing the red ball. So that would be 7 by 16, since there are 7 red balls and 9 black balls. So The probability of success in each of the six draws, in each of the six draws, since it is six balls are being drawn successively. So therefore, the probability of success actually that would be that is actually written as P. So that would be here. So in the so it is 7/16. So if we get six red balls in all the six draws, it means that we get six successes. So in all the six draws, we can get all six can be success, or we can have like four success and two failures, and there can be lots of other cases. Okay, so here here since the ball is replaced here since the ball is replaced in the first case, I'm saying in the since the ball is replaced after each draw, so each trial for each trial the probability of success is fixed. The probability of success is the same, that is 7/16. So when the ball is replaced, that kind of trial will be a Bernoulli trial. So when the ball is replaced after each draw, and the ball is replaced, then it is a Bernoulli trial. But in the second case, the ball is not replaced. Therefore, if we have to get the success in the first draw, the probability of getting success in the first draw, so that will be 7/16. But for getting success in the second draw, the probability would be 6/15. Since the ball is not replaced, so 15 balls will be remaining. And out of that, six red balls would be there also. So here you see, so when the ball is not replaced after each draw, when the ball is not replaced after each draw, then the trials, um, then the trials are not Bernoulli trials. The trials are not Bernoulli trials. Since why? Since in this case, the probability of success is not the same for each trial. Since in this case, the probability, in this case, the probability of success, is not the same, for each trial. Probability of success is not the same for each trial. Okay, so this is the final answer. Thank you.